Good morning, students. I hope you understood the pre-number concepts which we have seen in our previous session. Today we will see some more concepts, and they are in front of, behind, same, different, big, small, bigger, smaller, biggest, smallest. Let's start with in front of and behind. In front of means just ahead of something or someone. Behind means backside of something or someone. In this picture, you can see that the boy is standing in front of the curtain, whereas the girl is standing behind the curtain. Here we can see Krish is in front of the tree and Ginny is behind the tree. So, did you understood the concept in front of and behind? Okay, let's start for the exercise. So, what is your question? You have to take the one who is standing behind and cross the one who is in front of. So, tell me in first picture who is behind and who is in front of. Yes, very good. The boy is behind the bee. Okay, so you have to take the boy and cross the bee. In second picture, yes, very good. The boy is standing behind the dog. Okay, so you have to cross the dog and take the boy. In next third picture, who is in front and who is behind? Yes, the ball is in front of the boy. So, you have to cross the ball and take the boy. Yes, so all of you understood this concept? Okay, very good. So, next 3 questions you can do on your own? Yes, very good. Our next topic is same and different. Same means identical or similar, whereas different means not same or unlike in nature. Here you can see in the picture, in first picture, there are 2 cupcakes. So, they are same. But in second picture, there is one ice cream and second is cupcake. Okay, means both are different. Here, in next slide, you can see 2 Tweeties are there. They are same. They are looking same. But in second picture, one Tweety and one parrot is there. So, are they same? No. Means they are different. Let's see the concept with the help of exercise. So, what is the question? The question is, in each row, circle the picture which is the same as the one on the left. Means a single picture is given on left side. We have to match that picture with another side. First picture is of dog, whose direction is left. Now, if we see on another side, except fourth dog, all are facing towards right direction. So our answer is fourth dog. So circle it. Now, next one is penguin. We have to search same penguin on right side. So tell me, which penguin match with the left side penguin? Yes, correct. Again, fourth one penguin is matches with the given penguin. Like that, you can solve the other two questions also. Clear up to this? Very good. Let's move to next topic, that is big, small. Big means huge or large in size. Small means less than normal size or little one. See the below picture. If you see the size of pineapple and strawberry, you can say pineapple is big and strawberry is small. Here we can see one elephant and a rat. Okay, now tell me, who is big and who is small? Yes, an elephant is big and a rat is small. So, did you understood this topic big and small? Okay. Now, see the below pictures. You have to take the big one and cross the small one. In first picture, which is big and which is small? Yes, correct. Tree is big and plant is small. So, you have to tick on the tree and cross to the plant. Similarly, in second picture, football is big and tennis ball is small. So you have to tick to the football and cross to the tennis ball. Okay? Done up to this? Very good. Our next topic is bigger, smaller. If we have two things of unequal sizes, obviously one is large in size and other is small, then we can say that one of them is bigger, which is big in size, and the other one is smaller. Means when we compare the two objects with respect to their size. Here we have two apples. The apple on right side is bigger and the apple on left side is smaller. Here we can see a bear and a bird. The bear is saying, I am bigger, whereas the bird is saying, I am smaller. So, did you understood the concept bigger and smaller? Okay. So, are you ready to solve the questions? Very good. Now, you have to take bigger one and cross the smaller one. So, in first picture, there is a watermelon and a strawberry. So, which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Yes, very good. Watermelon is bigger and strawberry is smaller. So, take to the watermelon and cross to the strawberry. Similarly, in the second picture, there is a ship and a boat. Which one is bigger? Yes, ship is bigger. So take to the ship and cross to the boat. Done? Very good. All of you understood this concept? Okay. Shall we move? So, today's our last topic. Biggest, smallest. We use this concept for more than two objects which are of unequal sizes. Here you can see we have three dolls, but they are of different sizes. If we compare them according to their size, we can say that first doll is the biggest doll and the third doll is the smallest doll. Here we can see a monkey, a bear and a frog. So, who is the biggest and who is the smallest? Come on, tell me fast. Yes, a monkey is biggest and a frog is smallest. So, can we start for exercise now? Yes. So, what is the question? The question is, take the biggest and cross the smallest. In first picture, there is a helicopter, cycle and a trolley. So, which one is biggest? Yes, helicopter is biggest. So, you have to tick to the helicopter. And which one is smaller? Yes, the trolley is the smallest. So you have to cross to the trolley. Now, in second question. First is sofa, second is stool and third is chair. Here, come on, tell me fast, which is the biggest? Yes, sofa. And which is the smallest? Stool. Very good. So, you have to take to the sofa and cross the stool. Now, next one question you can do on your own. Okay, very good. Clear up to this?